In this video, I'm going to cover how you can create multiple worksheets or multiple tabs without having to do it manually. We tend to create manual tabs by clicking on the plus button and rename them. I am going to share with you a formula that you can simply copy paste. I've shared the formula in the video description below. Let me show you the steps now. Let's go back to this worksheet and list down the names that we wish this formula to generate. Once we've done that, we need to go to the VBA developer mode by holding down your Alt and F11 key at once. Now it should take you to the developer mode. Once you're there, just go to the ribbon here, then go to Insert, select Module, and then in this module box is where we insert the formula. So get the copy pasted formula from the video description below. Remember in here to change your cell range to whatever the range you wish the formula to extract the data and your worksheet names. So in my case, my data ends at this cell, so I'm just going to make sure it reflects the correct cell range. Once you've done that, we've got to run the formula. We just need to hit the F5 key, let the formula run, close these pages, go back to your workbook. All the worksheets have been created and named for us. For more Excel practical tips and tricks, please do subscribe to my channel.